Hey guys, what's up? This is Abhishek and welcome to my channel One Day Batting. Today we are going to explain you about a simple concept, that is how to find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. And let's start the video. Okay guys, first of all we see how to find determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Right? So I'm taking an example of 2 by 2 matrix. Let's say A equals to, elements are 2, 6, 5 and 7. So in order to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, right? So I'm mentioning this. So in order to find that, we have to multiply in diagonal way, that is, first we have to multiply in this way and next minus this one, right? So 2 7s are 14 minus 5 6 are 30, right? So our value is minus 16, right? So let's take another example. So consider our elements are 8, 0, 7, 6, right? So first of all we have to do in this way multiplication and minus this one, right? So 8 6 are 48, right? Minus 0 7 are 0. So our value is 48, that is determinant of A is 48. So this is the way to find determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. And let's move on to the 3 by 3 matrix. So let's see how to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, right? So for that I am considering a 3 by 3 matrix. Let's say A is the matrix and entries are 2, 3, 6, 7, 0, 3, 2, 1, 8, right? So this is the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix, because rows are 3 and columns are 3. So to do this, first of all we have to know a pattern, right? And let me explain that quickly. That is, plus, minus, plus, and we have to take consecutively, that is minus, plus and minus, right? So then we get plus, minus and plus. So this is the pattern which you have to remember to calculate the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, right? So let's find the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So here plus we have to consider and minus and plus, right? For that first we have to take 2. So let me take that 2 multiplied with, that is, first of all we have to hide this row elements and column elements which are associated with this 2, right? Then we get elements as 0, 3, 1 and 8, right? So I'm taking this from that. So next we have minus, right? So we have to take minus sign here, and then our element here is 3, right? So, and we get another elements like, first we have to hide this column elements and row elements, right? Then we get 7, 2, 3, 8, right? So I'm writing this 7, 2, 3 and 8. Then I'm taking this again. So we have plus sign here. So I'm taking 6. Then we get elements as, we have to hide this column elements and row elements, right? Then we get 7, 0, 2, 1, right? Now we have to calculate determinant of these elements and these elements to get our final determinant of 3 by 3 matrix, right? So 2 multiplied with 0 into 8 in this way, right? And minus 1 into 3. So 0 minus 3 minus 3 and 7 8s are 56, right? 56 in this way and multiplied with this 2 and 3 minus 2 6 are, sorry, 2 3s are 6, right? And then plus 6 multiplied with 7 1s are, because by calculating in this way and minus this one, right? So we get 0 multiplied with 2, which gives 0, right? So 2 multiplied with minus 3, that is minus 6, and here we get 50, right? So 53s are minus 150, right? And 6 7s are, so 42, right? Plus 42, and our final answer is 114, right? So this is our det value of this A matrix. And let's solve in another way. Previously I took these 2, 3, 6 values to calculate determinant of this matrix, right? And we got det value as minus 114, right? So now I'm taking this 2 7 6 elements to calculate determinant, and let's do that quickly. For that we have to take the signs. Here we have minus, right? So we have to take minus sign here, and we have plus sign here, so I have to take plus here. And in the similar way which we have did before, here also we have to do in the same way, right? So first I have to take this 2 element with positive sign, so I am taking plus 2, and first of all we have to hide these elements, column elements and row elements, right? Row elements. Then we got 0 1 3 8 as 2 by 2 element, matrix element, right? Then I am removing this. We have minus sign with 7, so I am taking minus 7, so we have to hide this row elements and column elements, right? Then we got 3 6 1 and 8, right? Then I am removing this. Then we have positive sign with 2, right? So I am taking 2, I am writing elements here. See, first of all we have to hide this row elements and column elements. Then we got 3 0 6 3, right? 3 0 6 3. And now we have to find the determinant values of this 2 by 2 matrix, right? So for that I am doing 2. So here we have to multiply in this way minus in this way, right? So we got 0 minus 3, right? Then minus 7, here 3 8s are, so 24 minus 6, right? So minus 6, so we have plus sign over here, so I'm writing plus 2, so 3 3s are 9, 9 minus this 0 6, I mean 0 into 6, which gives us 0, right? So our final answer will be 2 3s are minus 6, right? So we have minus here, so we got minus 6, and minus 7 multiplied with here 24 minus 6, which is 18, and plus 2 multiplied with 9. So after calculating this, we get minus 114. So the value of this determinant is minus 114. So the answer here and here are same, right? So we got tallied the answer, right? So whatever the elements you may take, we will get the value in the same way. So the thing is, you have to follow this pattern and calculate in this way, so that we will get answer simple, right? And that's all for the video, guys. If you like my explanation, then subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all notifications from my channel. And finally, thank you so much for watching.